Red thumb. Red dynamite. Red विश्राम. सावधान. Red राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रावण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलद तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
भारत माता की. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. Red विश्राम.
My dear colleagues, students, staff, families of all those who have come, it gives me great pleasure to celebrate with you the 68th Republic Day. We all know that the freedom struggle, which we celebrate on the 15th of August, took several decades and culminated in something that we as a nation had all hoped to achieve. It came at a tremendous cost. But today I wanted to focus on something that the freedom was supposed to achieve. The entire freedom struggle, the great movement, the great leaders who sacrificed themselves, the so-called common man who made uncommon sacrifices, they all struggled for one dream. And that dream was not just freedom, that dream was to create the nation that we all wanted to create. And that nation is something that is enshrined in our Constitution. That nation that we all, as a nation, sacrificed for is the Republic of India. And that is what we really wanted to create. The meaning of freedom is enshrined in what we celebrate today. That we have the freedom to become what we really wanted to be as a nation. And that is a republic. And in the truest traditions and sense of the word republic, we have seen that another few decades have passed where all of us have abided by the Constitution, but perhaps not really achieved all that we dreamed of as a nation, all that we wanted to become free for. And the meaning of the Republic, personally, to me, is something that I thought I would share. That the Republic is perhaps even more significant than the freedom that we won. That if the freedom that was so hard gained does not result in the nation, the people, the society that we really wish to create, we would have failed. And to reinforce the spirit of the Republic, I would again, as ever, join hands with all of you and call for the creation of the nation, of the Republic that we all have dreamed and desired, along with our forefathers. We have seen that over many decades there have been many efforts to achieve the Republic that we wanted. If we go back in history, we would understand that the economic hardships that our nation, that our people went through, actually led to the struggle for independence. And we see again that there is a great stress on the economy. The freedom struggle was not for freedom, it was for a republic. It was for the ability to shape our own society. And it was shaped by the economic hardships. Today I would invite you all again to take a pledge that we create not just the political republic, but we also create a nation that is free economically, free of hardships, free of cash, perhaps, but free to do all that we want as common men and women. I will take this opportunity again to pledge with you that we must, as individuals, as families, as communities, and the I Am Lucknow community is a very widespread, very privileged community. We must all stand together and again do our bit, not for freedom, but for the Republic, but to shape the economy that we really wanted to. I wish you all a very, very happy Republic Day and wish that the pledges that we make in our minds will help us guide the entire community. Thank you. And Jai Hind. I would like to invite our gurus, our seniors in the community to say a few words.
Dear committee members, today is a very glorious day and it gives me an immense pride in my mind to relate to the fact that I belong to this country where we are able to see today. But the only one one thing which pinches me somewhere in the bottom of my heart. I personally, maybe each one of us personally, we have inherited this, have really contributed to this day, and I think this is the must contemplate seriously that how we are going to contribute to this sense of pride now onwards, and let's do our bit. And always we look forward to someone that who will do something, who will give us the initiative. We do not think that it is our responsibility to come forward. Be it a student, I am referring to everyone. And if as a citizen, we do not look forward to anyone and we take our own responsibility, start today itself. Liberate your mind. We talk about republic, we talk about everybody together, but are we actually together? We still have to go a long way. In this country, Prime Minister still has to give a label and a slogan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. We need to honestly ask ourselves that what are we doing for society upliftment? It is always good to be together on this day, celebrate this day, but I think this is not the end of it. And we should really go one step forward every year. So thank you very much. I think all of us will start taking responsibility and I look forward to it. So Vande Mataram. We have our student, alum, WMB, Ashraf.
Wish you everybody a very happy Republic Day. I don't have much to talk about on this occasion except that just a reminder to all our fellow students that when we started learning in the classes, when we started listening to the lectures, we were introduced to the concept of societal benefit. So why we are here, why did we join this course, why did we go through all the courses, all the rigor of the program, was to enable us create better societal benefits than those who have not been through such courses. So basically, a republic can be a stronger republic, a republic can prosper more and provide better livelihood to all of its citizens when the societal benefits are created. So when we go out of this course and when we go back to our work area, when we go back to the job market, our objective should be to perform activities, to take up those assignments which improve things in individuals' lives. So as long as we contribute in some way or other towards improving the lives of individuals, of our nation, of our fellow citizens, I think we are fulfilling our duty towards the Republic. Thank you so much and wish you again a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.